Hello, welcome back to Mornu Porichaya Smart Class. Today we are back here again and we are going to start with some new lessons. Okay, so today's topic is short stories. Here I am going to read out you some short stories, okay, and then I am going to explain you about that story. Then after that we are going to go on through the difficult pronunciation and some word meanings. Okay, I hope you all enjoy your classes. Okay, so today's story name is The Little Goldilocks and Three Bears. Okay, so it is a very interesting story. Okay, so let's start. Little Goldilocks was playing in the forest. She saw a little cottage. Okay, so here is a girl whose name is Goldilocks. She's a very small girl. Okay, and over here now she was just playing along in the forest very nicely. So over here, playing. Playing means what? खेलना, खेला करा. ओके, प्लेइंग मीन्स खेला करा या फिर हम लोग जो खेलते हैं गेम्स या फिर ऐसी मैदान में निकलकर जो खेलते हैं दैट इज नोन एज प्लेइंग. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. लिटिल गोल्डीलॉक्स. गोल्डीलॉक्स कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे हम लोग? GOL. तो यहाँ कहा जा रहा है कि एक छोटी सी बच्ची. Okay, here was a girl whose name is Goldilocks. She was a very small girl and she was playing in the forest. Forest মানে কি? জঙ্গল. Okay? ও ওখানে একটা ছোট্ট ঝোপড়ি দেখেছে. কি দেখেছিল? She saw a little cottage. Okay? ওখানে একটা ছোট্ট ঝোপড়ি দেখেছে. Okay? Then next. Now over here they are telling Goldilocks went in. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on a table. Goldilocks কোথায় গিয়েছিলে? Goldilocks গিয়েছে এক ওই ঝোপড়ির ভিতরে. Goldilocks went inside that cottage. वो उस झोपड़ी के अंदर जाती है. Then she saw there 3 bowls of porridge kept on a table. वहां पर उसने 3 कटोरे देखे खिचड़ी के, दलिया के. वहां उसने उसकी 3 अलग अलग कटोरी देखी जिसमें दलिया या खिचड़ी रखे हुए थे और वो 3 कटोरे कहाँ थे? टेबल के ऊपर. ओके, those 3 bowls of porridge was kept on a table. Okay, next. Goldilocks ate some porridge from the big bowl. It was too hot, so she ate some porridge from the middle bowl. It was too cold. Okay, अब यहाँ क्या बोला जा रहा है? यहाँ बोला जा रहा है कि Goldilocks when she went and when she ate from the big bowl, वहाँ 3 bowls थे. Correct? There was 3 bowls. One was big, one was medium, and one was very small. So now here we talked about the big one. When Goldilocks, যখন ও ছোট মেয়ে ওই বড় কটোরা দিয়ে ওই খিচুড়িটা খেয়েছে তখন ওইটা খুব গরম ছিল. It was too hot. Okay? Then ও কি করলো? তারপরে she again ate the khichdi or the porridge from the medium size bowl. Is that correct? She ate it from the medium size bowl and it was too cold. Okay? So next. But the porridge in the small bowl was just right. Goldilocks ate it all up. Now over here what they are saying? Now over here they are saying that the very small bowl. I talked about 3 bowls. The very small bowl, that temperature of that khichdi was all correct. ठीक है? वो खाने लायक थी. वो मतलब ना ही ज्यादा गर्म थे ना ही ज्यादा ठंडे थे. It was all good. So now what happened? It tasted good and all the temperature of that food was also good. So Goldilocks ate it all up. Goldilocks ने उसको सारा खा लिया. उस छोटे बोल में से उसने सारे खिचड़ी खा ली. Then Goldilocks was tired. She went up to the bedroom. she saw 3 beds. Now what happened? After eating the porridge, Goldilocks was very tired. वो बहुत थक गई थी. Now what happened? She went up to the bedroom. Okay, वो bedroom में जाकर she saw there 3 beds. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 beds. अच्छा, bedroom, I think आप लोग सबको पता है what is bedroom. Okay, tired. Tired means थक जाना. Goldilocks थक गई थी. Okay, now when she went up to the bedroom, she saw 3 beds over there. Now, then Goldilocks lay down on the big bed. It was too hard. Then she lay down on the medium bed. It was too soft. Now what happened here? Goldilocks saw there 3 beds. She went to the big bed. Same as the katoras. Same as the bowls. The bowls were big, medium and small. Okay. Same here in the beds over here. One was the big bed, one was the medium bed and one was the very small bed. Okay. So when she went and lay down, lay मतलब क्या होता है? lay मतलब होता है सो जाना. lay माने की होय শুয়ে যাওয়া. ठीक আছে? तो when she went to the bed, big bed, okay, जब उसमें जाकर बड़े वाले बेड पे जाकर जब वो सोती है, then she felt कि वो बेड बहुत हार्ड है. हार्ड मतलब कड़क. ठीक है? It was very hard. Then she came down and then she again went to the medium bed. वो मीडियम साइज वाले बेड पे जाकर सो जाती है. ও মিডিয়াম বেডে গিয়ে শুয়ে যায়. তখন চু ফিল করে কি না, this bed is very much soft. I'm not so comfortable over here. Okay? Then, but the small bed was just right. Goldilocks lay down on the bed. She fell asleep. Now what happened? She again went to the small bed. And the small bed was just perfect. Okay? So Goldilocks lay down on that bed. Now वो छोटे वाला बेड जो था वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल था गोल्डीलॉक्स के लिए, तो वो उसमें जाकर जब लेटी ना तो उसे बहुत अच्छे से नींद आ गया. शी फेल अस्लीप. अस्लीप माने वो सो गई. फेल मतलब वो सो गई. फेल अस्लीप. ओके. देन द कॉटेज belonged to 3 bears. They came home as she lay sleeping. Now what happened? वो जो 3 bedrooms, 3 कटोरे ऑफ खिचड़ी आपने देखा था, वो जो छोटा सा कॉटेज था वो किसका था? वो 3 बियर्स का था. ठीक है? वो लोग कहीं बाहर गए होंगे. Then they came back home. They again came back there to their home. And at what time did they came back? They came back when Goldilocks was sleeping. Sleeping मतलब जब वो सो रही थी. The cottage belonged. Belong मतलब क्या होता है? Belong मतलब होता है कि ये कॉटेज किसका है? ये कॉटेज मेरा है. मतलब बोलते हैं ना, this book belongs to me. वैसे ही the cottage belonged to 3 bears. Okay? Now वो वहां पर सो चुकी थी तब वो bears आए थे. Next. Who tasted my porridge? Said Papa Bear. Who tasted my porridge? Said Mama Bear. Okay? So यहाँ क्या होता है? यहाँ पर 3 bears थे. एक थे मम्मा, एक थे पापा और एक थे बेबी. पापा, मम्मा, बेबी. ओके? तो जो पापा बेयर थे, मतलब जो पापा बेयर थे, उन्होंने आकर कहा कि मेरा पॉरेज किसने खाया? Who tasted my porridge? আমার খিচুড়ি কে খেয়ে নিয়েছে? ঠিক আছে? তারপরে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে মামা বিয়ারও বলল, Who tasted my porridge? আমার খিচুড়িটা কে খেয়েছে? मेरा खिचड़ी किसने खा लिया? Okay? Then someone tasted my porridge. They ate it all up. Cried baby bear. Whoa! Okay? Now what happened? The same thing that small baby bear also said कि मम्मा पापा देखिए, मेरा तो पॉरेज किसी ने टेस्ट किया और उसको पूरा खा भी लिया. ये क्या बात हुई मम्मा? हमने, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. एंड द बेबी बेयर स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. Okay, so the baby bear said कि मम्मा पापा see someone tasted my porridge and they ate it all up. Ate मतलब खा लेना, पूरा खा लिया. Tasted मतलब थोड़ा सा लेकर टेस्ट करना. उन्होंने टेस्ट किया, उनको अच्छा लगा और उन्होंने पूरा खा लिया. Okay, now the bears went up to the bedroom. Who lay on my bed? Said Papa Bear. Who lay on my bed? Said Mama Bear. तो अब क्या होता है कि now they all three bears went to their bedroom. They saw over there. Papa Bear first saw that someone laid on his bed, but now he is not there. होता है ना कि बिस्तर थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाता है. मॉर्निंग में आप उठकर बिस्तर को पूरा अच्छे से रखते हैं. You properly set up your bed. Okay, then if someone is getting up in your bed or sleeping on your bed, then the bed little bit get undisturbed. Okay, so that what happened कि उस वक्त जब पापा बियर ऊपर गए तो उन्होंने देखा कि उनका जो बेड था someone has slept on that. So the Papa Bear said, who laid on my bed? ले मतलब तो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया. ले मतलब क्या होता है? सोना. तो मेरे बेड में कौन सोया था? তারপরে মামা বিয়ারও সেম কথা বললো कि আমার বেডে কে শুয়েছিল. ঠিক আছে? Then the baby bear said, somebody lay on my bed. She's sleeping in it, cried baby bear. Okay? So baby bear, what did she say? Baby bear said that, see mama, papa, someone laid on my bed also. And now also that person is sleeping. अभी भी वो सो रहे हैं. Still मतलब अभी भी वो सो रहे हैं. Okay? Then Goldilocks woke up. She saw the three bears. They looked angry. ठीक है? Then what happened? Goldilocks का ना इतना शोरगुल में ना उसका नींद खुल गया. Woke up मतलब वो उठ गई. She saw मतलब देखना. Three bears. वो जब उठी नींद से, then she saw তিনটে bear. ঠিক আছে? ওরা খুব রাগ করছিল. They looked angry. Okay, angry मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा. Okay? Then Goldilocks was frightened. She ran out of the cottage. She ran home. কি হলো? এখানে কি হচ্ছে? লাস্টে কি হলো? গোল্ডিলক্স যখন ওই থ্রি বিয়ার্স কে একেবারে দেখলো, ও খুব ভয় খেয়েছিল. वो बहुत डर गई थी. She got very frightened. Frightened मतलब डर जाना. Frightened. Is that clear? तो वो क्या की? वो ना कॉटेज से दौड़कर बाहर निकल गई. She just ran away from the cottage. ठीक है? She came out from the cottage by running and then she ran back to the home. Okay? She ran back to his or her home. Is that clear? Okay. From this story, the moral of the story मतलब क्या होता है? ये पूरा जो हमने स्टोरी पढ़ा, इस स्टोरी का एक्चुअल में क्या रीजन था पढ़ने का, ये स्टोरी में था क्या? Over here, the moral of the story is that you should never and ever go to some other person's home, okay, or to some other person's property without asking them. তুমি কখনো কারোর বাড়ির ভিতরে এমনি জিজ্ঞেস করার না থাকলেও তুমি ভিতরে চলে যাচ্ছ. Don't do this, okay? बिना पूछे आप कभी भी किसी के घर में नहीं जा सकते, किसी का सामान यूज नहीं कर सकते. You should never use someone else's things. Is that clear to you? Okay, so I hope the story was very interesting and you all enjoyed it. Okay, so I would request you all to read this story at your home. Practice in front of the mirror by reading loudly. Okay, do some very good pronunciation, understand the meanings that I have said you. Okay, and then we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.